Hello everybody and welcome to your official Loog guitar lessons. I'm so glad you joined me. My name's Emily Zimmer. I'm going to be your teacher. Let's rock. And this is how you play a D major chord. We're going to take our first finger. We're going to put that at the second fret on your third string, just like that. At the same time, we're going to take that second finger and we're going to put it at the same fret, the second fret, first string. Now we're going to take that third finger and put it on the third fret, second string. This is also right where the dot is on your fretboard. So just think about pressing down on that dot right there. Now, I want you to stay way up on the very tippy tips of your fingers so that every string can come out nice and clearly. Let's see. That's what that D major sounds like once you've got it down. Give it some practice. This is a tough one. Some people are going to get it sooner, some people are going to get it later, but don't compare yourself to anybody else. Just work at your own pace. Take it one finger, one string at a time. And I promise with lots of good practicing, you will get there. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in another lesson. Remember to subscribe to the Loog Guitars channel and press the bell icon so you can get notified every time we have a new lesson up. Until next time.